This is Chris Crescents. I'm in downtown Chicago, right outside my apartment. It's Monday, November 26, 2018, and the time is 3 p.m. It's not snowing anymore, but I just want to show you a little bit the view here. Real beautiful view of the area. And this is the Northwestern Medical School. And that's one of the hospital buildings that I work, right over there. And then this is part of the downtown area, the Streeterville area. So you can see what's left of it from the snow here. And then right over here, this is DeWitt Street. And then this is Pearson Street. This one is Pearson Street. This is the Streeterville area. This is Pearson Street. And this is DeWitt Street. So this is my neighborhood. This is Chris Crescents. This is going to be a 2-minute video, the aftermath of the storm in downtown Chicago. Thank you everybody for watching.